Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is Ayush, and now in this video we are going to talk about groups. Okay, what are the groups in Linux operating system? So basically, as the name suggests, you can think like a group as a group of some kind of users, group of politicians, group of actors. As this the name suggests. But in Linux we can create different kind of groups. We can create separate groups for developer, for pen tester, different groups, and for marketing team different groups. So basically this is the basically mostly the use of groups. Like we can create different groups for different teams, and we can provide them the different permissions according to their role. So there is a basic simple command in Linux like group add. Okay, using this command we can basically create groups in our operating system, and I hope this is visible to you. Let me increase the size first. It's too large. Let me edit this. Yeah, now it's fine. So how you can do it? The one command which I told you right now is group add, and what you have to do, you have to just provide the name of the group which you want. So I will name it as a developers. Okay, so here you can see it is showing permission denied. So one thing here also is the group add command is or can be only performed by those users whether they are root or whether they have a certain permission of root permission, or you can say whether they are in the sudoers file. Okay, so in that file, if any user in that particular file, so they can easily use this particular feature of sudo command. Okay, so I'm in that file like this user that Ayush. So what I will do, I will just add sudo, and it will ask me to enter the password. Done, and we are done. Here you are not getting any kind of output or something. But let me tell you one thing, when you create this or when you add this group add command, or you add different groups, so at that time what happens, there are the two files which gets affected when you hit this particular command. One is uh, one is group, which are located in the /etc directory, and another is /etc g shadow. Okay, so I will show you the content of group file. Okay, like in shadow file, it basically contains when you create a group with password, they are not much required, because if there are multiple users, then like uh, your password will get compromised. You can think of it. Okay, so these are the two files which get affected whenever you create a group. Okay, so let me show you the content of first cat/etc like group file, and here you can see there are the multiple groups here. Okay, there are multiple groups. The first group, it may be root. Okay, this is the root, and these are some system users, and here in the last video we had covered about virat 2 3 4. So whenever you add a new user, then the separate groups is also created. Okay, so right now what we have added developers. Okay, so developers is one of the group, and X is for password, and this is the group ID. Okay, so let me show you the detailed information about this particular file, so that will be more clear for you guys. Okay, so in this picture you can see like CD-ROM X 24, and this VVX student one. These are the users, but in our case users are not visible. Why? Because we have not still added users in our group. So we will do this in our next video. Okay, so in this particular video we will only create groups, like we will see different options how you can do it. And here you can see the detailed information about that particular file. So here you can see CD-ROM. CD-ROM is what? Just the name of your group. Like here you can see one indicates the group name, like it is the name of the group. If you run ls and this command, you will see. Okay, and then this is for password, which we have not provided. This is the GID, that is the group ID, and the group list, who are the users present in this particular group. I hope that is clear to you. Okay, so now what I will do, I will try to create a group with some another GID. Okay, So for this we can use the only one option is that is -g option, which will help you to create group with different GID. Okay, so but before that I wanna show you one more option, that is -f option. What it does, sorry, basically when you want to create a group with the same name, then let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to enter the same command again. Let's see what happens. Here you can see group developer already exists. But what if you want like if you don't want to see this error message, or you want to forcefully create that particular like developer group? So in this case you can use which option? You can use just -f option. -f just stands for forcefully, okay, or you can say force. So in this case what will happen, I will hit enter, and here again you can see same developer 1502. Okay, so now in this now what I will do, wait a minute, why my screen is not okay. Okay, so now what I will do, I will try to create a group with some different GID. Okay, so how you can do it, for this we have a -g option, group add, and still I will use -f option because I don't want to create some other groups. I would just want to work on this particular developers group. -f, then I will use -g, and I will provide this 2000, let's provide it 2022, and the name is still remains same, that is developers, and I have not added sudo. It's more important. With the help of sudo you can perform anything in Linux. Just hit enter, and then again we will see the content, and here you can see, okay, it our GID not added here. Okay, let me check we have entered correct command or not. Oh yeah, there is a -g option is correct. Okay, let's try to create different group testers. Okay, so what happened, when we were using -f option, then in that case we cannot change this GID. But with other when you will create new group, then you can change this GID. Like you can create your you can create group with your own GID. Okay, so like in this way you learn something new. Like you can't do like that. If someone asks you to perform the same thing, then you can easily say no, it is not possible to change this GID using -f option. So now what I will do, there is also one command that we can use, like for getting the list of users. What I'm typing this /etc/group. Okay, but instead of this we can use the one command, that is gtent, and then group, and here you will get the list of all the groups which is present in our system. Okay, and to delete the groups you can easily delete it using the groupdel command. That is very simple. That is what I will do, groupdel, and I will just pass the name of the group which you want to delete. I want to delete testers, and hit enter. Again permission denied. Why? Because we have not used sudo. Let's use sudo, and done. Again get list of that get list where it is. Okay, so here you can see tester has been removed. So I hope you guys learn about how we can add groups in our Linux system, and but in our further video we will see how we can add users in particular different groups. Like there is also a separate command for this task, that is a user mod, or you can say user modification also. Like there are many properties of this particular command. We will learn all about this in our next video. Okay, so that's all for it, and we'll meet in the next video. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet in the next one. Thank you.